you have few people leave the Caribbean like canoe and end up as far as Haiti.
I know the other way around.
Some music only end up at places like Trinidad. So
Okay.
those are the canoe boat artists.
Ah. Davian here, the Yardman Podcast, in the middle of nowhere, Spain. I don't know how I ended up here. I hope I make it home alive. But we're out here, and reggae music is a wonderful thing. We're in a space in Spain where I would not expect to find reggae here.
True.
I would not expect to find dancehall here.
True.
In this little community right here. So
True.
no expect that at all. But you see how the music penetrate?
That's the greatness of the music, isn't it?
Yeah, man. And we're there so with Oska today.
Mad.
DJ,
Mad.
artist, video producer, jack of all trades, it
That's what them
seems
say.
like.
That's what them say.
Tell a little about yourself, how you make it to Europe, and how you get in this creative space.
You're going on, I come from Old Harbour, you know. You know, I look at district named Sharper Lane, on the outskirt. And we start music about 1998. With a sound named Gun Barrel.
Gun barrel. Sound like a war sound.
I
It sound like a war sound. Sound like a war sound.
We couldn't afford to make speaker box, so we get the closed barrel and turn down to 12 in it to get a bass line. And then we go somewhere and then kill we in it and we say, you know what?
You never have no dub.
No, we not a dub.
You can't go on without ammunition.
And then we have to just say, you know what? We get to a dub plate and then my cousin said, listen, we have to change it from Barrel International to Gun Barrel. So I said, gun company barrel.
Yeah.
And then one shot in it and we spin it like a Russian roulette. Anyway, gun the shot stops somebody dead.
That's what he did.
Yeah,
You kill sound too.
Kill sound too.
What the biggest sound you kill?
We killed one sound from Greenville and Mandeville. I don't remember what name. Seeing them are the first duppy.
Yeah.
See me? Yeah, man. And we go around and kill all of a sound like Greenville area.
So in your area, it was one of the war sound.
One of the killer there.
You miss the vibes there in a dancehall though. Like you don't really see sound go out a clash sound anymore. It's more like DJ a travel.
Yeah, because you know what I mean, things change and it get more individualized. You know what I mean? So every man does a show him speaking and car and him knapsack on him bag and on him back on the road. So it kinda change, but we miss them things just to see me. Just edit it out, yeah?
So what you think about like the change where DJs have changed from having a sound system to now just have a laptop on them back and I hit that?
Yeah, it good and it bad, you know. And I think it do more damage than do good, in my opinion. Even though I'm an individual DJ myself.
Yeah.
Because with that, when you have the sound system, you have quality control. Because you don't make a decision by yourself as a DJ, you know what I mean? But when you're a DJ by yourself, you decide where you want to play, how you want to play it, the dub you want to get. But when you have a system, because sound system is a system.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That team, that bigger team.
One man don't make the decision.
Yeah.
So you know, say it do good there, sir. But in terms of getting youth out of local spot, they create them one thing, individualism, it kind of works still. So have a good on it bad still, isn't it?
Because right now I can get up and say I want to be a DJ, put some song on my laptop, put up on Instagram and get a booking though.
And gone. Yeah.
What?
So in that sense it do good. But in terms of the culture itself on a whole,
yeah,
it kind of mess it up still.
So you still think so there's a place in modern dancehall, even the international space, because gone are the days when you want, let's say you want a Tony Mataran or you want a Stone Love or a Firelinks and you want one of those sound systems. You used to have to not get Firelinks wasn't Firelinks the main DJ or the spinner or the selector, you know. It was the entire sound system. You know, I travel up on a truck, find a light post to string up in wire pan.
Yep.
Do you think it gives them more international appeal now? Like it's easier to say, yo, want Tony Mataran forward. We don't need nothing else. We don't even need a laptop, we just need internet.
I think yes and no, because here we're going, it's a good thing for Tony Mataran, or it kill the culture. You know what I mean? Because when you have a son that leave Jamaica, like for instance, like a bodyguard with links and some more man that go foreign, It's a system I got there.
Yeah.
So it bring an ambience to the music, you know what I mean, a whole vibe. But when you go there by yourself, with a look at knapsack and just DJ controller, it's a different vibe still. But things sometimes change still, so
Yeah, because
that's the way they know
logistically it don't make sense though. For me personally, it don't make sense to me go pack up a box, carry them go foreign or me a move from come on, me have to book out a ship for travel. Whereas me can just buy a man a first class ticket and book him for a show, give him a hotel room. Me have to find storage in the sound system,
Yeah.
pay for shipment.
But you see, the difference with the thing still is music is a feelings. You can't kill the feelings. So when the feelings dead, that's the difference. Because when you carry the sound system and the whole, it come like you packing up the sound, it give you a great job if you pack up the sound. And if you talk about your dog, you know, say, when we got England from Jamaica and brother, and you remember when the G uplift the box and it nearly kill him.
So the vibration in it as well.
A story. It's a whole package of feelings, you know what I'm talking about, but that dead, so it's like, you just go, your knapsack, take out your controller, plug it in, and you ready? Oh, it's sound, good, yeah, and I say, oh, what's London? Why don't I go there and just shell it in, brother? But there's no story around it, you know, say, G, go there, yo, dog, if dog, I try a little bit, he record and we nearly kill him.
Yeah, but that's say yo, a modern time now. And when modern time come with modern solutions. You see what I say?
Versus a more human
vibes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna say yo, it's so eliminate it, you know, cause I see the need, cause my brother, him love him sound box system.
Yeah.
Him literally spend every pay. Remember my brother used to get paid. When him get paid, him no buy liquor or nothing, him buy speaker. And him got the carpenter and the carpenter bill him box them. Him stack up in sound.
Yeah.
You see me say to you, little by little, you can get a one column and then it grew and grew.
And build it up.
And build it up, and I feel passion that. But now me I say, yo, you don't have to invest that much. The startup cost easier for you as well.
Yes, I'm saying it's more on an individual level.
Yeah.
And we see where that translate, that kind of move into artists who would have them band and do some rehearsal and we grow together, and then you're left Jamaica now, you're alone, and Jesus Christ and God who you pray to. And then you're alone there for one festival, and the feel is different. When you find now, me would have traveled with my band now who we grow through the whole thing and have a vibe and come give a different experience. The same thing is someone do the same thing, artists doing the same thing.
Yeah, but most artists realize, yo, you mentioned the people that travel, the entourage. Them.
Yeah.
Because for me personally, I don't like see it.
Yeah, sometimes.
I don't like see the bag of man.
Sometimes too much.
I don't like see the bag. I don't like see, if me go book a flight, me go on a trip, I don't need 20 man to go with me.
No, sometimes too much.
Maybe you say you need 3 to 5.
You leave the towel, man. The towel man have to come.
Yeah.
When you carry towel, leave him.
Yeah, the man when I have a rule,
Leave
when
him.
just a stand up there and take up space, he don't need.
You're going to need who is relevant.
Because I realize the international artists, them don't really have them big entourage.
No, well, international artists them have people who is relevant to the whole thing. You know what I mean? Relevant to the whole thing. Where you play? Me play drum, me play guitar,
Exactly.
me a keys, who you be? And me carry towel, no, we can't leave you.
Yeah, I'm understand the levels, you know, because if me I come up with my bridging them there, and me are the one with the talent,
Yeah.
and me I get everybody out of the ghetto, you know. But my bridging supposed to get a reason and say, yo, come out of the ghetto now.
Yeah.
Me not have nothing to do with music.
Yeah.
Let's say me was a bad man before.
Yep.
Let me go get some training and become a certified security guard, certified bodyguard or something. Change and find a role.
the badness makes sense.
Yeah, badness makes sense.
Some of them not do that.
Whereas, me realize, yo, it's a risk. Because when you're an artist, you have a brand.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a brand.
Oh, yeah.
And that brand they determine everything about you.
Oh, yeah.
How people listen to your music, how people book you, how
Yep.
sponsorship you get.
Yep.
And one man in the entourage can fuck up everything.
The whole thing. Yeah. Yeah, we see them all the time.
So, that's a one little thing where me that say, yo, we can limit that. Because you don't see the female artists them with the big entourage.
And to be honest with you, brothers, some of the artists them, especially these days, them don't rare to entourage, bro.
They don't hurt the entourage.
Come on now.
Who don't hurt the entourage?
Me call them the canoe boat artists.
What you mean by canoe boat
Okay,
artist?
so you have some artists where the way how them travel determine the type of artist them is. So you have artists who them music make them travel. Break it down.
Break it down for
Yeah.
me, man, please.
You have artists, yeah, who them music make them travel first class. Some artists make them music make them travel standard class. Some artists them music make them travel in a private jet.
Okay. And then you have artists who travel on them own jet.
Their own jet.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you have the other artists them now, for them music left Moran Point and go Negril Point. And it's like when back in the days when Jamaica did under slave, it was a slave plantation, you have few people leave the Caribbean in a canoe and end up as far as Haiti.
I know the other way around.
Some music only end up at places like Trinidad. So those are the canoe boat artists. Make sense?
So hold on. I get what you say. I'm understand how you meant it.
Yeah.
But you think that would have defined an artist's success though?
In what
Because
sense?
you basically say if an artist not have mainstream appeal or international appeal, that kind of means say yo them not at that level.
Some of them even have Caribbean appeal.
Yeah, but every artist start off like that.
Yeah, but that's where some of them is, and bring themselves across as if them have the international
Appeal.
They don't.
So you don't think say yo you have to fake it till you make it sometime.
I want it with music. You can't hide, you know.
Talent always rise.
You can't hide. You see, in a studio, you can sing some song and a producer put on the mascara. It's like a female who put on the makeup. You have some artists where the producer put on the mascara, the whole thing, and then you have to go out there and present yourself because you cannot hide when it comes to a stage show.
Okay.
You can't hide.
Which artists you think like them just don't have the stage show appeal?
I can't tell you who have the stage show appeal. So that make it easier for you to work out who don't have it.
Okay. Who the artists where you say yo either pay money and stand up in the hot sun, stand up the whole night and bleach, like you know him and kill the show?
You attack young artists or older artists?
Give me a mixture. Give me a three legend, three old artists where you know say yo always I got deliver on a stage show.
Capleton.
Leave out Capleton, Elephant.
Tell me who you want. Tell me who you want to leave out.
Alright, I make it do it. Alright, make it five. Cause five established artists so you know say yo, you don't mind stand up the whole night for hear them perform 5 o'clock in the morning.
Capleton I want.
Yeah.
Anthony B I want.
Okay.
Roman Virgo I want. Seeing Beanie Man, American Performance,
One more you have, you know.
and Shabba Rankin.
And Shabba Rankin.
Them are the 5 artists who, if I just 5 get to choose, them are the 5 where I have to go and see.
Three of them I see still. Three of them out,
See.
3 out of 5.
No burning spear.
Yeah, that's something, you see.
You notice the man choose most of dancehall, let's say, you know, except Romain.
You could have put in any one of them, man, but if me just get 5, that's my
And then the
5.
man 5. What 5 young artists.
I want to talk about young. Give me
Young, what I say young?
In the past
within
35
10
years,
years.
10 years.
Past 10 years.
Who not 10 years?
Skilly Bang, Lila Ike.
Yeah.
Well, Lila Ike. I'm not taking Lila Ike here.
5 you have, you know. 5.
Yeah, so Lila, Chronix, Unite.
See, yeah.
So Lila, Chronix,
Protege.
Stop tell the man artist when you
So
are.
Lila, Chronix, Protege. I'm going to go dancehall now.
You need to dance out.
Governor.
Nah, bro. Me not got disrespect. No, me not really feel there's not one dancehall artist in the past 5 years, 10 years I'm gonna really pay and go see.
Like 10 years where you really go pay and see?
No.
Because they don't have a full set.
Because me not really I'm not feeling the type. I think the past since 2010, if I'm being honest with you, me not really feel the dancehall music from this side.
What make? About like artists like Valiant, TJ, Skilly Bang were gone most international right now. Them not up to your standards yet?
Not really my standard, but that's I'm gonna put them in the fire if they go and see in the past 10 years. Maybe Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because to be honest, I'm not a fan of the canoe boat music, which is the trap music. I'm not a fan of that music. So if the trap music, I couldn't pay my not trap dancehall, trap music.
Okay. Not trap dancehall?
No.
So you don't think there's trap dancehall and trap music separate?
No.
Why not?
Because dancehall a dancehall, trap a trap.
Yeah, but dancehall evolved from another form of music. And trap dancehall, would I say, would that be an evolution of dancehall as well?
No, but it's dancehall, yeah. Dancehall is the groove, you know. Dancehall is the pattern.
The beat.
Yeah, so if you take out the dancehall pattern out of it, it cannot be dancehall, you know. That is the reason why you find, if you listen to the Latin music and what them call the shatter music, I just dancehall that. The drum pattern, the bass groove, but that ain't a trap music.
So what you call the combination of trap music and dancehall then? What you call it? Because it's a new form of music.
But I'm saying them take the dancehall out of it completely.
No, man.
But
because man, I disagree.
You know why? If you listen to Sly and Rabbit, yeah, them can put it. It's because dancehall is just the groove, you know, the pattern, you know. If you take out the drum and the bass groove out of it, you can't have dancehall. That's why you have Sly can release an album with just rhythm and can win Grammy with it because that is dancehall.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But then they go towards the technicality of it, whereas Jamaicans and a whole will classify even them just call it modern dancehall.
What you think? What you think? What they are doing in the past, say 10 years not working, because people who consume dancehall, them not take what them a give them.
So you say but you don't think so it's a matter of time though? A matter of time for people start just reverberate with that kind of music, yeah? With a new form of music.
Every music in Jamaica take less than 5 years for the world take onto it.
Yeah.
Ragging King start the trap dancehall 2017. Yeah? My math, you know maths good? You have good maths?
No, a little bit.
You have good maths? So from 2017 till now, how much the year that?
That's 7 years.
7 years?
Magic 7.
And it can't break?
Yeah, but they have some tune that go international still.
Like what?
Drift.
Wop.
But drift on the drift for dancehall now. You see, drift them bring back the dancehall kicking a drift, you know.
They beat, but them still had little extra flair to it though.
No, that I'm saying, we always do that. We always keep the dancehall in it and put the rest of the little piano, them change the sound, but them keep the dancehall boop with the kick.
Yeah, but that what them say about trap dancehall, them say them keep the authentic beat, but them just add a little bit to it with that international vibe there and make it trap dancehall.
Tell me something, yeah. When I hear the Stephen Genius rhythm them, why difference with it and them wanna know? Because Stephen Genius was doing trap, you know. Was doing would I call that, if you call something trap dancehall, that's the trap dancehall because him keep the dancehall in it and play some of the trap element as the piano or some of the phrase, but then keep the drum pattern in it.
So the drum pattern, you say, are the main thing.
That is dancehall.
The one drop.
Boop, 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 boop. That is dancehall.
So you say the younger generation in a dancehall now carry the torch.
Them take it out of it complete. Come like, I'm sure something. You say you sell jerk chicken.
Yeah.
If you take away the drum pan, the pan with jerk in it. Yeah? If you take away the jerk season and leave it chicken, and you sprinkle a paprika and look at something on it and put in that oven and say, you not jerk chicken? You might keep it jerk, you might keep it chicken.
Yeah, oven jerk.
Yeah.
Oven jerk.
The jerk pan is what make it become jerk chicken. If you take let me tell you something. You can't sell Spanish people's pasta. Nobody want Jamaican pasta. You can't sell back Jamaica. You can't sell back people who cook pasta from Jamaica.
Sure.
We don't make sense. We don't want it.
We don't know if you sell pasta.
I get what you say. I understand your point. I just view it kind of different. Because me always want to change. And I feel like music is something that is always going to change. You're going to always have the core audience in a certain kind of music. And to tell you the truth, the biggest audience for music in Europe, them love the old dancehall, and even more, them love reggae music.
Yes.
Because reggae was before that.
Yeah.
So them love the reggae, but me I wonder if it's just a matter of time.
No, look on Calypso. It's a Tesla. Let me use a different analogy. Yeah? Tesla. Tesla could have come and make a 3-wheel car like Del Boy from Only Fool and Asses.
Yeah.
Yeah? But why bring a 3-wheel car when a 4-wheel car is working?
So you don't want to change.
No. Tesla bring the changes, but Tesla take away the gas
Yeah.
and the diesel.
Hold on, what you think? Watch it.
Can't go on. You can't that. Yeah.
Yeah, so you know let the thing.
Yeah. So I'm saying Tesla remove the petrol and the diesel
Yeah.
and bring electric. But what Tesla have in common with every other vehicle? 4-wheel and a chassis.
If you know.
Seeing? So you see, him could have sell them one new car we are flying now. But why run the risk when a 4-wheel car work already?
No.
Dancehall work, yeah? For how long? Why change it? No, you can modernize it. Change the paint in a building, put in carpet and take out the tile.
Yeah.
Don't lick down the house and build one touch.
I say yo, we destroy dancehall. Me I say yo, it can change. And one thing, you know, when things are changed, you don't just me not gonna just come to you with a 2-wheel car and say yo, this is the new car.
Yeah.
What me gonna do? Me gonna take it piece by piece so people can assimilate to it, them can enjoy it more. Because believe it or not, you know, in the next 50 years, you know, nobody now drive your gas car, you know.
Me know, but see now.
But you see the change.
In the next 15 years, yeah, if we don't be careful, dancehall is not from Jamaica no more. Because see, I one thing I can tell you,
Call it Dembo.
I'm a person who travel a lot.
Yeah.
And I see a big changes in the past 5 years. And I think you guys from Spain will see it too. 7 years ago, the dominant music in the dancehall space, in the whole place we call dancehall, was 90% dancehall and 10% other music. Now it flipped. You hear, if you take out 90s dancehall and the conscience, them type of dancehall out of dancehall now, they can't know about music and fucking doing it. They can't cuss on it.
Yeah, man, you can cuss, man. They can't know.
They can't know about music and fucking doing it. It ain't. Bro, who play them young boy in a party nowadays? It not reach me. I was in Rotterdam the other day, bro.
But did I Rotterdam too?
Yeah, and the big old pretty building with the pretty tent they have, we play Afrobeats. Afrobeats are played there. You have Latin stage, you have Latin dancehall space now. 5 years ago, you didn't have nothing like that. You have dub, stage show, and dancehall. Now you have Afrobeat, which is a spin-off from dancehall.
Yeah.
You have Latin dancehall, which is 90s dancehall, and you have the Shatter Youth them now come with that is dancehall, and then you have we from Jamaica in a canoe.
In a canoe. But no, you can't say, you know why I'm gonna disagree with that? Because you could have said reggae music was a canoe boat music first. You could have said dancehall music was canoe boat first. Until it go international, it always start in a small subset, and you keep work and if you put in quality work and make quality music, me feel like say personally, I'm gonna make it global.
If my memory serves me right, what our legend name again, man?
Oska.
No, dancehall. The first man who broke internationally dancehall. Yellow Man. Yellow Man sing Zungo Zungo Go Zungo Zeng. Him sing that I think
19. No, 1980.
80, and he was on top of the pops, 81, in England. It took him 1 year for break. Internationally, them time, one of them time they you know have the internet for should be out there.
Yeah.
Them you can release a song today and it reach Australia tomorrow.
Yeah, but I know for them.
But
Alright.
Them no want it. Where camera there? Them no want to music.
Hold on there. Because of this whole access to music, people have more choice now. People have more choice and them consume music faster.
Yeah?
So that change the whole appetite of music internationally.
Brother.
It's hard to find a song we stay up on the charts for 3 months right now.
What you think?
Because artists have put out a song almost every week, a song every month to stay relevant.
Let me show you something. What you think when you look at blind youth come and say content boss?
Nice boy, big up
seeing it's a rhythm break. Why when Ding Dong come and do the face that there, that break? Yeah? Why when Mac do big bunks, that break? You know why? All of them have one similarity.
What?
Dancehall night.
Yeah, but that's a Mac producer and them produce them work with the trap dancehall artists.
No. What I'm saying, me call them 3 rhythm there, and those are the 3 rhythm in the past 5 years where really make the world say, yeah, dancehall is back again. You know why? Because they make more sense. The rest don't make no fucking sense.
Yeah, we ask this still, but
Trust me, the rest don't make no sense.
yeah, we still disagree. We disagree because we feel like music is something that always change with time and people will adjust. But internationally, you have view music from a different landscape, you know. Because we there abroad. So our eyes for music different than upon the ground.
Yeah.
You see what I say? Because we see we're around with. When we go to one festival in Europe now, what we see? We see people who not even know about the young artists them. Because
No.
in the culture, all them know are the old artists them. They don't want to hear no young artists.
You know why?
Because we go Rotterdam, right?
Yeah.
You mentioned Rotterdam. No young artists not upon it.
You know
Not
why?
one.
You know why? Let me tell you.
Skip.
Hold on. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you. Let me disappoint you.
Yeah.
The reason why you don't hear them on it is because what they must sing, nobody don't want to hear that. And we have a call.
True.
Brother, listen.
What they say? The topic I want
Listen
issue
me.
to?
You cannot sell what them name rock and roll people dancehall. You can't sell soca people dancehall. You can't sell pop people dancehall. What Jamaican artists trying to do is sell people who love dancehall canoe.
Back to the canoe.
Brother, there's a reason. I first know our history where in our past 5 years, you don't see none of the front runners in Jamaica upon a festival in Europe, brother. When Coffee sing to us,
Should upon every festival.
every festival. We live and see it. When Conscious them do every festival. Charlie Black's Party Animal, they on every festival. Why the blood clot them you that can't on the festival? Cause what nobody the canoe never work.
Can be a managing.
Brother, the chance. No, the chance. Trust me. The chance for a canoe left Jamaica and paddle.
Work hard.
Reach a Europe. That Ras I was thinking.
I'm saying they got blood clot sing.
Canoe can't let's go blood clot England from Jamaica.
It might make it a 80.
Me 80 I got Trinidad. It might reach a blood clot Guyana. That's it not gonna further.
I want a boxing way.
Yo.
You have 1 and 2 of you, then put on one engine on it,
Yeah.
and they carry them, he goes to Canada.
Like one skilly bang.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Put on engine on and
One when chronic law.
chronic
Yeah.
law and reach, and he put an engine on it and reach England.
Yeah.
You understand? But majority, brother,
Let's see.
we come to Jamaica music where we know superstar artists. So them can't, and I like me a band 15, 20 years ago. When me know only from cartel them come down here, so.
You know before.
We grew in a era of nuts them. Seeing The man them really do it. So we know real dancehall and real dancehall artists and we see them.
For real.
Shabba Rankin cost 9 miles of roadblock in England. We come see that. You see me? We see all of them. And I'm telling you, we talk to you, them looking at the camera and tell me, say, what not do, not working and it will never blood clot work. The Kano music not going to work, fam. Dancehall. That is the reason why you find dancehall, Jamaica music currently kind of irrelevant in a dancehall space. I feel that there's an argument now for maybe we show more respect for Afrobeat music, because if it's not Afrobeat right now, dancehall is dead. The dancehall space is dead. The party is dead. Take out.
That's why you have man like him that are fat sexy girl. No.
Yeah,
That's
brother.
That's why the man they can come in at this space.
10 years ago, him that R could have sing till him bomba bus. Not going nowhere.
Yeah.
Because you have quality artists from Jamaica sing music.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? A long time I'm trying, brother. A long time you have enough other people that try to dancehall. I've spoken to youth from Tanzania,
Yeah.
Kenya,
Gambia.
who started dancehall. I say, brother, why not an artist? I say, brother, because Jamaican produce no dancehall, brother. So we have to sing what we want to hear and produce what we want to hear. That's why so many new genre rise with sound like dancehall will become relevant now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just listen to where I'm going now.
True,
Why?
true.
Because the quality of Jamaica is dropped.
I get what you say, man. I get what you say.
Yeah.
I get what you say. The quality drop, but maybe I just because it's easier for a man set up a studio in my yard now. It's
Yes.
easier for me to go up on my phone and say, oh, I record a tune.
Yes. So you see quality control, a quality control killer. So you see before you used to have a studio where when they say, come out to the studio, man, we don't want you in here. That come from a guy go to the studio and couldn't sing on the right key and then run him out of the studio. Now when we have my studio in my yard and I go to my bathroom and string it up and hope say current not kill me and and me sing.
Yeah.
And put on two reverb on it and two things on it and bloom 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 and the sound good and my friend say bow pull up song.
And you upload it.
And what you say, man? And get 10 likes. If me get 10 likes, me hurt. 10 likes.
10 likes, you get 2 paddle. You get 10
It's
paddle.
a 10 paddle there, paddle down. And you say, song fly off.
Yeah.
Still not gonna, brother. I first know history. I first know our history.
Yeah.
Where you don't really have, in a 5 years span, you don't have, have at least 3 global international stars.
Yeah. Skilly Bang carry the ship now.
Skilly alone. What do you want to go? And Shensia. And
Spice.
And all the way out
But Spice in the last 5 years.
Shensia did a long time.
But she put in her work.
See, yeah. So
Shensia go school.
Shensia go school right
Yeah,
across the road from away.
So me would have put Shensia in it. Because Skilly Bang bust my pass maybe since 8 years now. See? Me even remember who bust 5 years ago. Because they sing 2 songs now and they jump up on the flare for Jamaica and it's a rave.
True.
Then dead again.
Like the song them have like one, but that a music, that a content overall now. Any form of content you put out now, the lifespan go short unless you put out something exceptional.
No, you
Like,
see-
remember, think about you remember when the Actua girl they go viral? What's she there now? That was viral for like a week. And so the virality of things go.
Mercy, brother, you see?
The last big song, me that say yo, YG Marley. That was the last one was still that one song and him there on every festival, as what you say.
Yes.
Because him find one
Once,
and
brother.
him have other quality song, but that one song yeah,
Carry him go all the way.
carry over.
You know why? Because that has always been Jamaica. Do a good song, the world won't turn them eyes away from good music.
Yes.
We have to start the good music and the rhythm of our life, do back dancehall. And we're alright.
Alright.
You see me?
Yeah man, me get what you say. Alright, me have a little quiz for you.
Yeah?
Me say who are the better ones. So you can pick reggae, dancehall, or old school dancehall.
Okay.
So pick one. Reggae, dancehall, old school dancehall, and we say which artists are the best artists.
Okay.
Alright, pick one.
Old school dancer.
Old school dancehall. So them name are random. I put them in a no order.
Okay.
And we're gonna keep one till the end.
Okay.
Alright. So for example, I put up orange and apple and you pick orange. Orange stay, I put mango, you still keep mango, mango stay.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
You ready? Alright. Old school, we'll start off with Charlie Chaplin and Lone Ranger.
Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie Chaplin and Papa San.
Papa San.
Papa San and Tenasa.
Papa San.
Papa San and Sugar Minot.
Papa San.
Papa San and Cutty Ranks.
Papa San.
Papa San and Johnny Osborne.
Papa San.
Papa San and Admiral Bailey.
Ooh. Bailey.
Admiral Bailey and Super Cat.
Bailey.
Really?
Yeah.
Admiral Bailey and Barrington Levy.
Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough.
Admiral Bailey.
Bailey.
Yeah. Admiral Bailey and Ninja Man.
Ninja Man.
Ninja Man and Josie Wales.
Ninja Man.
Ninja Man and Shabba Ranks.
Shabba Ranks still.
Ninja Man and King Tubby.
No, Shabba
The
Ranks.
Shabba Ranks and King Tubby.
Shabba Ranks.
Shabba Ranks and Yellow Man.
Shabba Ranks.
Shabba Ranks take it over. One more.
Yeah, man.
But do one for reggae.
Yeah.
Feel like reggae. Bob Marley normally win.
No, well, not for me.
So me not put Bob Marley night.
You can't put Bob Marley.
Me not put Bob Marley night because people can always say, yo, Bob Marley at the top.
No, well, not for me still. You can't put Bob Marley for me still.
You can put Bob Marley.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Make them beat me.
Say Terra Fabulous.
Make them beat me.
Alright. We'll start off. Luciano. Steel Pulse. Luciano and Jackie. Luciano and Protege. Luciano and Coffee. Luciano and Damian Marley.
Gangzilla.
Yeah?
Gangzilla.
Damian Marley and Chronix. Alright? Chronix.
Yeah.
Chronix and Caputan.
Oh, my God. That one is tough.
Chronix and Caputan.
Fireman.
Alright? Caputan and Sizzler.
Fireman.
Caputan and Berries.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Berries, someone.
Berries and Toots.
Berries.
Alright? Berries and Gregory Isaacs. Berries and Dennis Brown.
Berries.
Berries and Burning Spear.
Berries.
Berries and Peter Tosh.
Tash.
Tosh and Bob Marley.
Tash.
Bumbleclaw, what a controversy, what a ending. Tosh over Bob Marley.
Yeah, man, Tash.
Why?
Because Tash is more of a revolutionist. Yeah, man. Me respect Bob Marley. Me love Bob Marley.
Yeah.
But Tash is more of a revolutionist to me. Me can relate more to Tash.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I love Bob Marley same way.
Alright,
Yeah,
big up. Oh, since you mentioned, obviously, Bob Marley. Bob Marley or Michael Jackson?
Bob Marley, man. Bob Marley, man.
Bob Marley, Michael Jackson. Alright, big up yourself. Respect
brother.
forward. Love
Yeah,
the
man.
reasoning.
Cool,
Definitely
man.
next time you're in Spain, link up
Definitely,
and
brother.
thing, and we have a next conversation.
Yes, man,
and just
definitely.
keep the
Love
link.
to. Yeah, man.
And we there the Feels Like Home Festival put on by Jacoustic. Big festival,
Yep.
growing festival.
Yep.
Next 10 years,
I
you
mean,
won't be able to get in. You
Yep,
won't be
yep,
able
yep.
to get in.
Link me for hook up here.
Yeah, man.
We got half ticket.
Yeah, man.
You can get
Shout
it.
out your socials.
Remember, just follow it on London Yard TV or London Yard on Instagram, TikTok, over there. Here.
Yeah,
Big
man.
up on yourself all the time.
Yeah, man. And this was the Yardman Podcast again. We out.
Peace. Mad.
Yeah, man.
Yardman Podcast are the one, the Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast.
Subscribe now. We out.